If your diet makes you miserable, you're gonna quit. That's why I never give up on dessert. I made this cherry Garcia in my Ninja Creami, 300 calories and 45 grams of protein. And it tastes like a premium pint. The real one, over 1,000 calories and just 15 grams of protein. I'll show you how to make this one, lights caramel action, and the last one you're gonna wanna stick around for. First up, the cherry Garcia. We're gonna use 1 scoop of this vanilla ice cream flavor protein powder. We're gonna blend up all of our dry ingredients first and then add the cherries and milk as well. And for some sweetness, I found this one works the best. Allulose and monk fruit, this one by Whole Earth. Now I'm gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of terra gum to help make it nice, thick, and creamy. You could also use guar gum or xanthan gum. Blend all our dry ingredients. Got that all mixed up. Now, since this is a cherry base, we're gonna go 5 of these frozen cherries. These are dark, sweet, whole pitted cherries. And for the liquid, we're going 1.5 cups of Fairlife's fat-free milk. High in protein, lower in sugar, works really well with these creamies. Take the lid, I'll blend it up. And we're gonna add in our cherry base to the pint. Cherry base all done, we'll drop this in the freezer. Light ice cream setting. Add in 5 defrosted cherries, about 40 mini chocolate chips, and mix that in. The entire pint has just over 300 calories and 45 grams of protein. Next up, the Lights Caramel Action. This is gonna be a vanilla caramel base. So we're just gonna use the vanilla from the vanilla protein powder, terra gum, and some salt. Mix that up. Dry ingredients done. We're gonna take our pint, add in 1.5 cups of the fat-free ultra-filtered milk. And now for the salted caramel taste and the sweetness, we're adding this caramel syrup. And we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon. We'll now take our dry ingredients and drop it into the pint, immersion blender, and blend it up. We'll take our vanilla caramel base and put it in the freezer. Light ice cream setting, add in snackable cookie dough and graham crackers, and mix that in. The entire pint is just under 400 calories and 45 grams of protein. Now the one you've been waiting for, the chocolate therapy. This is gonna be a chocolate pudding base. So we're gonna use 0 sugar chocolate fudge pudding mix. We're gonna go 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna mix all my dry ingredients and then add in the wet. Going 1 tablespoon of the allulose and monk fruit, 1/4 teaspoon of the terra gum, and just a little bit of salt. And we can't forget about the protein powder. I'm using vanilla, but if you have chocolate, that works as well. Now we're gonna give this a good stir. All right, got that all mixed up. I'm gonna grab our pint, add in 1.5 cups of the Fairlife fat-free milk. Now we'll take our dry ingredients, put it into the wet. We're gonna blend it all up. Chocolate pudding base done. We'll drop this in the freezer. Light ice cream setting, Oreo Thins cream removed, and mix that in. The entire pint is 320 calories and 40 grams of protein. If you want more high protein Ben & Jerry's recipes, check out this video right here.